Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your, CapCut. All right. So I have to search for it, and now I'll tap on it for it to open. As your CapCut opens, you may need to import your project. Let's tap on New Project, and then let me get to the video I want to use for this illustration. I'll tap on this one and select Add. Right, so now that the video is added, then play to get to where you want to add sticker on. So I'll play this a little. Okay, so let's assume I want to add sticker in the settings. I want to illustrate the settings. Okay, if you tap on the video clip, all right, you will see this rectangle, white rectangle around the video clip. All right, when the video is in this state, you won't be able to select the illustration, the command, or will I say the element that will allow you to add illustration. So you need to tap on the video clip again for you not to see that rectangle, okay, the white rectangle around it. Then you swipe towards the left at the bottom part until you see stickers option. Tap on that stickers. Okay, so this will display some stickers, both the ones that are free to use and the one that are paid. All right, if you're using premium, everything will be free for you, but say I'm not using a paid plan. All right, I'm not using premium plan, I'm just using it free to use. So scroll until you get to the sticker you want to apply on the video. Okay, in this case, let me now use
Okay,
this. Sorry, I added one. I will tap this undo. Okay, so let's get to stickers again. Okay, so let's say this arrow that is pointed here is what I want to use. I will tap on it.
Okay, these are the steps to.
Then if I tap on it, I'll tap on the good sign, which I have just done now. Then I will drag this to what I want to point at. Let's say I want to point at the Photos app in this case. I've pointed on it, at it. All right. After that, I'll play to see how it works.
Okay, these are the steps.
All right. Now I have played it a little, and maybe this is too much. I want to reduce it. Just take your finger, okay, to one end of the sticker and then drag. Okay, once the sticker is selected, take your finger and drag until it gets to the level you want it. If I tap on it, it will be deselected. All right, but once I tap on it, you will see that sign around it, the rectangle around it, meaning I can work on the sticker. All right, I can drag it maybe to this side if this is what I want to point at. I can hold on one of these signs here, and then I will rotate it to anywhere I want it to be. So this is how you can apply sticker in a CapCut, okay, when you are editing any video. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.